My name is Arnold Chinyawanji within the Fiber Product Management team, and I'm pleased to introduce to you the new Panduit Flex Zone Raised Flow Enclosure. This enclosure is an ideal solution for consolidation point or zone distribution area for data center or co-location. It saves valuable real estate in the data center by allowing cable termination below raised flow, relieves congestion in racks and cabinets. The enclosure enables the segregation of two sites A and B that allows a greater network design flexibility. The enclosure can manage and organize up to 288 fiber ports, which is 576 fibers using HD Flex cassette MPO to LC breakout. More importantly, it provides easy access to the patching field as it allows the capability to pull and rotate patch panel for access to the cassette for smooth moves, add and changes. For more information about the Flex Raised Zone Flow Enclosure, please click the link in the description below.